black girl. It's your style, your smile, the way you light up a room when you walk in.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time seeing me, I am Melody. I create hair, beauty and lifestyle content, so if that is your vibe, you should definitely subscribe for more. But today I'm going to be showing you how I do my no foundation makeup routine for this hot Jamaican weather. All products used in this video will be listed in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. Let's get into this look. Today I'll be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Stand Pore Eraser. I'll be applying it all over my face and just rub it in. Add some lip gloss because I can't be looking all crusty on camera. So when I'm doing my no foundation makeup look, I like to go in with lightly filled brows. So what I'm going to do is take my eye pencil and I'm going to just fill them in lightly to give that natural effect. Take my spoolie and blend. To clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the same concealer that I'm going to be using for my face, which is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. After my brows, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to apply it to all the places where I normally highlight. When you're blending, you want to make sure that you start from the edges and then you work your way to the inner part of the highlight. In with another brush and just take it to blend the edges so that you have no harsh lines. For cream contouring, I'll be going in with my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark. I'm going to take a brush and dip it in it. After applying my cream contour, I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used to blend out the edges of my highlight, properly blended into each other. Don't want to see where the contour stopped, where the highlight stopped. I'm going to go in with my loose setting powder, the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium Deep 30. The powder puff, dip it in the powder. Tap it on the back of my hand and just lightly tap it into my skin. Do the same thing for the next side. Pat it on the back of your hand to remove excess powder from the puff and then lightly tap it into your skin. Okay, so after setting my highlight, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this time this is the powder version, and I'll be taking the shade Contour to set my contour areas. I know it looks a little crazy, but we're going to blend everything together, okay? Just hold on. The thing is, if you want your face to look flawless, you have to apply the product. You can't just apply a tip and expect flawless. You cannot be afraid to apply the products to your face. Okay, you must wondering, how the hell is she going to look with just concealers on her face? Actually, for the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with my Milani pressed powder in the shade Warm 109. This is what is going to tie the whole look together. So that you can see that it is already starting to melt everything together. And this is what you want. Okay, notice the difference. Face powder, no face powder. I'm going to take some of my loose powder and I'm going to use it to just kind of sharpen my contour. I want to overdo it. I want to have more of a natural look. With my blush, and I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetic Blush Neutrals palette, 2 shades here. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to pinch it and apply the blush to my lips to give my face some color. Like so. Moving on to my lip, I'm going to take my LA Girl eye pencil in the shade Espresso to line my lips. And I'm also going to go in with NYX Buttergloss in the shade Madeleine. Last thing for me to do is set my face. And I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So this is my no foundation makeup look. Pretty simple and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts down below and subscribe. We are on our way to 3,000 subscribers, so subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.